Hello everyone, this is Alex from Albo Studio, and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing and review of this Nokia 2720 flip phone. This is the first flip phone from Nokia from the newest line. If you are new to the channel, I'm talking about technology and cryptocurrency. So if you are into that, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any further updates. So here we have a Nokia 2720 flip phone. This is the first flip phone from the newest Nokia line. It features a 2.8 internal screen, 1.3 external screen, an extra large battery with backlight, Google Assistant, emergency assistant. So let's open it and see is it any good. Okay. So here is our phone, and here is our Nokia charger. It features micro USB charger. I don't think it has a fast charging option. And we have some Nokia documentation inside here. So this is manuals and different stuff for Nokia. Nokia certificates, some guarantee cards I think, and that's it. So there is some papers which we are not really interested in. Maybe there is something more. Let me see. Okay, so this is a guarantee, and yes, there is, I think it's a headphone, but I can't get it. Maybe it's because I should open it from another side. Yes. And what is it? I think it's an extra battery. And there's no handphone. There's no headphones with this phone. Okay, good. Let's see the phone itself. Okay. Well, it feels nice in your hand. It's plastic, of course. Let's open it. Grandma style buttons. Okay. Let's see if it has a battery inside. Of course. No, it has not battery installed, so this is the battery. It's not a second battery, it's the only battery you get. Okay. Let's try to turn it on. And there is not even a Nokia sound. I hope there will be. Well, it almost like it was. Okay, so there is settings. Let's choose English. English, okay. Next. Skip the internet connection. So I suppose this is the front menu. Let's see. No, there is no touchscreen here. Okay, so here is basically what we are getting. We are getting some applications like Facebook, WhatsApp, Snake, Maps, YouTube, and Store. Okay, what kind of store is this? Let's check it out. I suppose this is something like Google Play Store for this phone. Maps, Snake, WhatsApp, Facebook, camera, gallery, video, messages, Google, browser, email. Okay, Twitter, music. So there is some basic applications here that you can see. I thought this one will be something more bigger to feature a touchscreen at least. The resolution on the display is not that great, honestly, but for the price of 98 euros it's okay. But the functionality is super limited. Let's check out the camera. And camera, and please, oh my god. Okay, oh my god. This is like the camera from my Nokia from 2009. No, from 2006. In 2009 we already used iPhones. Okay, the camera is best, sorry guys. Honestly, I don't want to see Facebook or WhatsApp experience on this phone. So this is basically the type of phones we used to have in 2006. So if you have some nostalgia and you want to try the new Nokia, maybe, just maybe, this one will be for you. But from the stuff I see, this is a very limited phone. The resolution of display is super low. The functionality is limited, there's no touchscreen display. The camera is something you don't want to have in your pocket. I don't know what can we say more about this phone. The quality is good. Although the quality is good, but I don't know. I felt it would be something better, honestly. This is below my personal expectations. You can see that you have a second display over here that is showing time, and if somebody will call you, of course it will show the name of the caller. Otherwise, we have a micro USB slot over here, headphone jack over here. I think this is off and on button, and there is a volume button over here. Yes, this is a volume button. What can I say? If you want to make a great present for your Grammy, this is the phone to buy. Otherwise, don't waste your money. In conclusion about this phone, Nokia, I honestly expected more. Case closed. Stay tuned for the next video.